Come in the shade, Stavros. Just step up in the shade, yeah? Better. Keep cool. Anyway, you've spent quite a bit of time with me this morning, haven't you? You've had a leisurely breakfast earlier, and now a leisurely lunch, and now you're just chilling out. Wonder where they are today, Sassy and Sybil. They've not been around so much, have they? Step up in the shade a bit, yeah? Keep cool, yeah? You don't need the nuts. You don't need those nuts, do you? No. I need to go out soon. I've got to go out and feed my pigeons. Okay? Yeah? Maybe see you this evening? Yep. Good boy. Got to go for the moment, yeah? Well, in a moment. Cheers, mate.